wanted people to get a taste of what life could be like when you see it from Harley's point of view. And when you watch this film, that's what you're getting. It's a lot of fun.
With Harley Quinn, I'd rather have this psycho on my team. You! Who's gonna go way beyond the Call of Duty to kick some ass than anybody else.
Harley Quinn just makes one big pot of gumbo, and everyone's shit just gets stirred up in the process.
Okay, you're that singer no one listens to.
Hey, you're the asshole no one likes.
And then we have Canary and Huntress.
She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues!
The birds come together with Harley and fight together to save Gotham.
Roman is trying to be the head of all the crime families, and he's trying to take over the underworld.
I want to kill you. Shit. Because without the Joker around, I can.
He bought himself an army.
They aren't necessarily looking to get chummy with one another. It sort of happens by force.
What?
You are so cool.
When they're together, they kind of make up a whole piece of the puzzle.
None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
We are not pulling any punches whatsoever.
You got this! Turns out, that wasn't the only day in Gotham looking for emancipation.
It's funny and it's quick paced. It's a really good time.
They called themselves the Birds of Prey.